Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bestway Power Swim Vista Pool with pump and cleaning kit. Fun in the sun is so close, you can almost taste it with the Bestway Power Steel Swim Vista Swimming Pool Set. This pool comes packages with a pump, filter, chemical dispenser, ladder, and cover so you don't have to do any more shopping for compatible pieces. It even has 4 windows on the side of the pool so divers can look out to your yard. You can set it up easily with no tools required. The Bestway Swimming Pool Cleaning Kit is a great addition to any above-ground pool or pool maintenance set. With everything you need to get started, you'll be ready to swim and relax in no time in your Bestway Power Steel Swim Vista Pool. Product benefits. Constructed of a corrosion-resistant metal frame and heavy-duty plastic steps. Triple-layered PVC walls supported by corrosion-resistant metal frame. Includes vacuum and maintenance accessories kit to keep your water sparkling. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.